Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing fantastic. And today's video is going to be super duper interesting because it's my first ever try on haul. So are you ready for it? So if you have seen my previous video, it's a Sarojini vlog. So I'll be showing you all the pieces I got from Sarojini in that vlog. So stay tuned. And in case you haven't seen that video, I'll be linking that video in the description box and the end of this video. So make sure after you see this video, you go and watch that video too. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So before starting my try on haul, I want to mention that Ghar Aate I took all the clothes to the wash because it's very important. Not because the situation happening right now, but whenever you buy anything from like flea markets or street markets, you should have to wash them properly because you don't know how many people have touched it, or like it's a second hand cloth or it's thrift, because whenever you do thrift shopping you have to wash your clothes before wearing it, just because of pure purpose of hygiene. So with said that, let's get on. So the first thing I got from there is this basic black top I am wearing right now. So it's just black basic crop top. As you can see, nothing more fancy about it. It's just a black basic crop top, and quality, I'll be mentioning all the prices in the video itself. So the quality is not very good. It's just okay. If you're wearing something under it, you'll be fine, obviously. And I'm not super impressed by it because of this weird neckline. Otherwise, basic crop top. So if you know me, you know that I am a big workout lover. I love exercising, I love dancing. So I love the clothes that are comfortable and yet look good, because most of the time I spend in working out or like dancing. So the next thing I got is this army printed pants. I'll show you in a try on clip. I love the army print. I love it. I really love it. It's comfortable and its quality is nice, and it has pockets, so it's a plus point for any clothing.
Whenever I try to shoot, हमेशा बारिश का मौसम हो जाता है. I don't know why. And it's Delhi, यहाँ पे बारिश होती नहीं है, पर जब मेरे को शूट करना होता है तभी बारिश होती है. It's not fair.
Anyways, so the next thing I got is for my sister. I brought it for her because she liked it very much. So it's see, I love it. It's a peplum kind of top with these details. Can you see? It's so freaking beautiful. Just imagine wearing this with any basic leggings or shorts you can wear. Like the whole outfit will look so damn cute. It's very beautiful. It's like small detailing na. This makes or breaks the outfit. Seriously, it's all about a little detail that makes the outfit warm, and its quality is also nice for the price we paid for it. Really, it's very nice. I love it. The next thing I got for myself is this pair of, this beautiful denim skirt. Yeah, right, skirt. This is very girly. I like skirts. I can live in skirts. I love skirts. So with this zipper on this side, it's just basic blue denim skirt, and it's very pretty. Okay. The next thing I got is very basic, घर पे पहनने के लिए. It's a pair of shorts, but the print is fabulous. See, the print. Look at the print. It's very pretty, flowery, and it's just a regular pair of shorts. But घर पे हो तो क्या हुआ, मतलब तुम ड्रेस अप नहीं करोगे, तुम you will not look good. You have to look good for yourself, girl, not for anybody. So just look good even if you're lying in your bed. Okay. The next thing I got is I'm loved in with that piece of cloth. It's a vintage inspired t-shirt. Like you will find something like that in an LA thrift shop, kind of. See. Look at the print. Look at the print. I'll show you in the try-on haul. Try-on clip. It's very pretty. It's basic blue color. Its quality is amazing. It's very soft. You'll not sweat in it. It's like perfect for even going out or lying in your bed. It's all purpose and its print is fabulous. I love it. And so the next thing I got is this, which is originally from Forever 21. It had its original tag and all, everything. Like see, it's from originally Forever 21. It's similar to like the shorts I showed you previously. Yeah, it has similar pattern going on, but it's very like girly and sweet. Last thing I bought from Sarojini is these headband. It's so good. Like look at this. I'm wearing one right now. It's very pretty. It has watermelon patterns. I like fruits. I love it. So yeah, and it's वो भैया दे रहे थे. It's like 50 for 2. So it's a good deal. Yeah, I like it. So that's all. So I would like to give one tip to you guys. See, whenever you're buying clothes, doesn't matter for anywhere, whenever you're investing in pieces, just firstly visualize yourself. Like see, if I'm going to buy this top, okay, so I would firstly visualize it कि मैं कैसे उसको स्टाइल कर सकती हूँ, in what ways do I have bottoms for it to match or I don't. That way you won't waste your money and you'll know. Like तो ऐसे हो जाता है कि like something is fancy or trending and you buy it and then you don't wear it because you don't have anything to match with it to make a combination. So that is a little tip for you. So that is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching it till the end, and please mention down below in the comment box which piece of cloth you like the most, and please make sure you like the video and subscribe to my channel if you like watching this content, and I'll see you the next week. Bye.